CERAKOTE, the world's leader in ceramic coatings, has developed a breakthrough product that restores weathered headlights back to like new, and unlike its competitors, keeps them that way for life. Here's why it's the best. CERAKOTE created its own proprietary cleansing wipes that allow you to literally wipe away the oxidation and weathering. Other headlight restoration kits require intense buffing and polishing with power tools, which can easily damage the headlights from melting and burning. CERAKOTE's headlight restoration kit doesn't require any power tools. Instead, simple light sanding for 2 to 3 minutes with the included surface prep pads and discs is all that's needed for a perfect finish. Once the surface has been prepped, other kits apply a temporary treatment that breaks down quickly. CERAKOTE's different because they manufacture a true professional-grade ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the headlights and provides future UV protection that withstands the test of time. The process is completed in 3 easy steps and just 30 minutes of your time. Just wipe them clean, give them a light sanding, and apply the coating. That's it. You're done, and your headlights have never looked better. So it's faster, easier, comes with a superior cleanser, doesn't require additional tools, clarifies, restores, and protects for life. Why wouldn't you try it? It's one of the fastest and most affordable improvements you can do to your car. See what you've been missing. Get your coat on with CERAKOTE.